Let's continue learning Ilchos Tshuva, Shir number 19. We learned the Rambam teaches us one of the groups of 24 me'akvin tshuva, the averes that disturb, block us from doing tshuva, is the group of when a sguli, ruchni, because we did this averes, that's why we lose the chance of coming back and becoming closer to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. If we disturbed someone else from becoming close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and we pushed them away even from becoming closer to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, so when we want to go back and become closer to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we have this blocking that we did someone else is coming upon us, and that's disturbing us. The fourth of these four things of the first group, says the Rambam, ve'oimer echeta ve'ashuv, if someone says, okay, so there is that big present of tshuva, there was a way back, so I could go forward. So I could go do this avere, I could sin, I could do what I want, and then I'll do tshuva. Is relying and trusting the present of tshuva. It's a gorgeous, lovely present that HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave us, that even if we very deep in the pit and we are in very low places, we could hold the rope and climb up and go out from the pit, go out from the bad situation we're in, and come to a new place, a lichtiger place, and to the light, to go out from the dark. And we take that gigantic present that HaKadosh Baruch Hu loves us so much and gave us a gigantic favor, he gave us a gigantic, so much mercy he had on us, and he gave us the present of tshuva. Before the world was created, HaKadosh Baruch Hu created, one of 7 things was, before Brias Olam, the present of tshuva. It should be in the base of the world, very fundamental base of the world, that even the whole world is built on it, and there is a derech hateva, and there is a logical way how the world works, but tshuva is behind everything. It's much more, it's much stronger than everything. Nothing could change the fact that tshuva is the basis of the world. Everything in the world could say and scream that tshuva doesn't exist, and it's not reasonable, and it doesn't make no sense. It makes no difference. Tshuva is there. Before the world was created, before all ideas that build the world and make the world go and run was even created from the first moment, tshuva is there. And that power of tshuva, that gigantic present, if someone takes this gigantic, gorgeous present, it's so amazing, and he uses it, so we could go do Averes. That HaKadosh Baruch Hu is coming back so close to us, even if we are far away from Him, if we want to become close, to take the closeness from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, to take the love of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and to kick it into His face, to use that love, that closeness, for making for doing Averes, for going back, for running away from Him. That's something that, if someone does it, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is ready to accept them, even if he did this ugly kind of acting, and took the greatest present that HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave and used it to make bad, used it to become far away from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, used it to go against HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Think about it. You did once a favor for someone, and he did a mistake, and he went against you, and you went and he came to ask a favor, and after all, he was misgaber on your midas, ma'avir al midoisav, and you helped him. And he takes that favor that you did, and he uses it against you. That's the feeling. That's echta v'ashuv. He takes the great present of tshuva, and using this present to do averas, using the rope you threw into the pit to say, there's a rope here, so there was a way out. So let's dig deeper, let's go even farther. And that's the idea of Echte V'Ashuv. HaKadosh Baruch Hu accepts it. Even someone that said Echte V'Ashuv, Echte V'Yom HaKippurim Mechaper, HaKadosh Baruch Hu accepts his tshuva. But the zilzul, the not respecting, the closeness from HaKadosh Baruch Hu to us in the present of tshuva, makes that it's blocking us from making tshuva. That's moineya is a tshuva. When we come to do tshuva, the siyata d'ishmaya, the help, the sending down the rope to us, if we don't mechaber the rope like it's supposed to be. We don't see how good is it. We don't believe how good is it. So we not zeichet it. HaKadosh Baruch Hu accepts us. Or even after all, even that we was mezalzel in tshuva, even if we said echter v'ashuv, we use the mercy of HaKadosh Baruch Hu to go against them. HaKadosh Baruch Hu accepts our tshuva. But the siyata d'ishmaya, says the Rambam, that ein maspikim b'yodei lasses tshuva, that's the first group. We blocked ourselves or someone else from accepting the closeness to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So when we come now, when we want this closeness, we don't get this sent out and to get us, we need to go the old way ourselves. We go, we'll get it. Be'ezras Hashem.